The rare morning dust storm tore through Phoenix Tuesday, cutting power, uprooting trees, dumping rain and leaving behind street flooding. The dust storm warning was in effect until 11 a.m. for the greater Phoenix area and northwest Pinal County. In addition, the National Weather Service issued an airport weather warning until 12 p.m. At around 10:15 a.m., the FAA was reporting delays at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport were running from 16 minutes to half an hour. Sky Harbor was reporting winds gusting up to 52 miles per hour around mid-morning. Meteorologists warned the storms were capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and heavy dust. Visibilities were near zero. Salt River Project reported as many as 5,000 of its customers were without power at the height of the storm. Arizona Public Service said the violent winds knocked out power to 7,000 of its customers in Phoenix, Tempe and Sun City.